everyone, let me tell you who I am. I am a sophomore of Da Nang University of Economics. I love going to the university where I can learn abundant of knowledge and information. I always dream about doing the things to give back to the community and nurturing positive thinking. That dream is gradually becoming reality since I decided to join my national beauty pageant, where I could be myself and show other people who I truly am. Being the winner got me a chance to represent Vietnam in Miss Grand International 2019. Through that, my voice is louder and stronger enough to influence others and help unfortunate people. Besides taking time pursuing my dream, I spent the rest of time for my family. I was born in the suburb of Quang Province, a peaceful place with a picturesque landscape and historic monuments. I love my hometown and the people here, who always been so amazingly brave and resilient going through the war years ago. How lucky I am inheriting on these precious spirits. Be yourself and bring more value to life. See you soon in Venezuela.